Let's learn how to declare and initialize variables. So everything we have here is inside of our main. So by declaring a variable, you are creating a space in the memory for the variable to exist. But until you initialize it, the variable has no value and cannot be used. So to declare a variable, you must say what type it is and give it a name. So you have your type, the name, and then a semicolon. Now, the type could be almost anything. It can be a primitive data type or it can be an object. Now, there's a lot of different primitive data types and tons of different objects. We're going to look at a handful of these primitive data types. So here we go. Int a. So I have a variable called a, and it contains an integer. Double B, long C, float D, boolean E, char F. So I created variables A, B, C, D, E, F, and their types int, double, long, float, boolean, char. There are two ways you can initialize a variable, and same time as declaring it, or you can do it later in the program. So when you do it at the same time as declaring it, you do it like this. Int g, so your type and the variable name, and then you set it equal to something. So int g equals 10. So I declared and initialized g equal to 10 at the same time as declares an int. So it created a space in the memory and assigned that space the value 10. Or I can do it later in the program. We declared a earlier up here. Now I'm assigning it a value. A equals 5. We can declare and initialize multiple variables at the same time. So here, look, int h, comma, I, comma, j. So that declares hij all at the same time. And then I can initialize them all to 10 like this. H equals I, which equals j, which equals 10. So what happens here is it sets j equal to 10, then it sets I equal to j, which is 10, and then it sets h equal to I, which is also 10. We can even declare and initialize some, but not others. So here, I declare and initialize k. I declare L, but I didn't initialize it, and I declare M and initialize it. And there we go. That is the end of this lesson.